because you are a toy, you're not trash, but I need trash! Okay, does anyone know Forky? It's from Toy Story 4. I watched it. Wow, it was amazing. And what do you think? Shall we make Forky together? Yeah! So all you need is some pipe cleaners, some modeling clay, a fork, and one big and one small eyeballs. They're falling everywhere because before I made this video, like, my hands get really sticky. And the mouth, you would need a rubber band. These rubber bands, and to make the legs you need some popsicle sticks. And when you finished it, if you have a popsicle and if you finished it, wash it very, very, very well and cut it, and then boom, you got them. So let's start. Come on, now let's make the arms. As you see here, the longer part we're gonna spin. There, easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's finished. Now let's move on into the next part. Now we are going to put the googly eyes, and I'm going to have a helper to help me do it because this is hot glue. Come on, Mother, let's do it. Here, just like this. Here. I'm sure it's going to be right there. Yeah, that's perfect, I think. Squeeze and small one quickly. Oh, great. There. There we go. Googly oogly eyes on. Oh, he is almost alive. I didn't even realize that. Now we're going to put the mouth on. In a click of my fingers, the mouth will come in my hand. There it is. It works. Come on, Mother, let's put it. I hope it will work. Over there. There. He's so happy. Now this is how he looks when he puts his mouth on. He looks so cute and funny. Do you know what it's time for? Play or clay. As you see here, I used like this much. You could use any sort of clay. I brought this from somewhere, like a shop. Yeah, from a shop. Now let's stick this whole piece on. Now he looks kind of like a tree. Now you know it's time for. I'm gonna like put it here, and cover this part, and here. Yes, yes, yes! We're almost putting him to life. Wait a moment. This is kind of a little hard. Oh, he's so cute! He has his eyes, his mouth, his body, his arms, his Play-Doh, and his legs. Now the only thing we need, is the eyebrows. I'm not going to put him angry. No, I don't like him being angry. I like him being happy. I need a helper for this. I do. My father is going to help me this time. Yes. I think there. He is finished. I'm so happy. Happy, and I know. Oh yeah! Now he has an angry friend. Oh, well, he's not really angry. Like, he's happy, but his eyebrows make him look angry. Well, he has some pink. You could use any Play-Doh for the legs. Now, they made friends. What do you think we can do with this extra piece of Play-Doh? I have a brilliant idea. Pizza time! Let's eat pizza. Now, they have made friends. Yeah, boo, 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 we have made friends. Now this piece of Play-Doh, what do you think? Because they're very hungry, what shall we give them? A slice of pizza, huh? Wow, that's a brilliant idea from me. Now, where could be their plate? This extra spoon I found, it could be their plate. Come on, friend, let's eat. Let's see. Ow, oh, ew, we're stuck. Yay, we can move. And they're going to play with each other a little. What do you think could be the slide? Aha, a slide and a pool. Slide. Whee! That's fun, right? Yeah, that's fun, buddy, huh? Now they're going to... That's enough for playing for them. They had a long day. They need to sleep. Oh, one more thing I forgot to tell you. Did anyone watch the movie Toy Story 4? It's amazing. You really need to watch it. Tell me the best moments down below in the comments. And I'm so happy because now I have 2 toys from the movie Toy Story 4. Yay! Wait there, guys. Did you forget to do a like, subscribe, and share? And see you in the next episode. Bye!